Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Aaron and this is A-Rob's Garage. If you haven't already checked it out, click here or here and check out where I revealed my 1968 Mustang Fastback. Today we're going to cover a topic that is very problematic to first-gen Coyote owners, specifically with the Ford Control Pack. In another video, I'm going to show you how to go through and solve that problem using HP tuners. And today's video is just one element that you're going to need to understand or be able to figure out in order to solve that issue. Now this video and these calculations I'm about to show you are also good for other things too. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to be able to calculate our vehicle's speed based on the engine RPM using this example. This will be extremely useful to help you fix your stalling issue that you're having with your Ford Control Pack. This is a well-known problem in the first generation Coyotes. So in this example, we will use an engine speed of 2000 RPM. The engine speed is transferred to the input shaft, which still remains at 2000 RPM. We will be using fourth or fifth gear or a 1-to-1 ratio, so that 2000 rotations per minute in the input shaft is translated to 2000 rotations per minute in the output shaft. That 2000 rotations per minute travels down the drive shaft and into the differential. At 2000 RPMs will then need to be divided by your gear ratio. In this example, we use 3.73 gears. So we will take 2000 rotations per minute and divide that by 3.73. We will get an axle and wheel rotation of 536.19 rotations per minute. So our tire rotation is 536.19 rotations per minute. The next thing that we need to do is determine this tire circumference. There are two ways that we can do that. We can do it manually by measuring the diameter of the wheel and then using pi to determine the circumference, or we can go onto tiresize.com/calculator. Here at tiresize.com/calculator, you just need to input the size of your tires. In my case, my rear tires are 315 30R 18 and calculate. Now here I could either take the 25.4 inches diameter, or I can directly take the 79.9 circumference. Another way to determine your tire circumference is to measure your tire diameter. Take a tape measure and measure from one end of the tire to the other. In this example, it is 25 inches. We'll take 25 inches, take that times pi, or 3.14, and that equals 80.11 inches. We'll divide that by 12, and we will get 6.67 feet of tire circumference. Now we need to determine the tire rotation. Take our tire rotation of 536.19 rotations per minute, take that times 6.676 feet per rotation. The rotation units cancel, and we're left with 3,579 feet per minute. Now we need to take our example and compare it to a known distance and speed. So in our example, our tires over the course of 1 minute will travel 3,579 feet. But what does the speed equal? Well, we need to use a speed and distance that we already know. So we know that 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile. or 60 miles per hour. So our speed is 1 mile per minute, or 60 miles per hour. So now we can calculate our speed. We'll take our 3,579 feet per minute, divide that by 5,280 feet. Our units cancel, and we're left with a constant of 0.678. We'll take that times 60 miles per hour, and we're left with our answer of 40.67 miles per hour. So our vehicle speed with an engine speed of 2,000 RPM is 40.67 miles per hour. So what if you wanted to use a different gear? I'll show you how to do that. We'll take our original 2,000 RPM input shaft speed, and we'll divide that by our 5th or 6th gear, or whatever gear you want to use. Just make sure that you have the proper gear ratio. In this example, we'll use 0.78. So we'll take 2,000 rotations per minute divided by 0.78, and that gives us an answer of 2,564 rotations per minute. And we can take that calculation and finish out the rest of the formula to determine our vehicle speed.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to watch my previous video where I revealed my 1968 Mustang project. Also, be on the lookout for my next video where I'll show you how to use HB tuners and tune out that annoying Decel stall out. Thanks again. See you next time.